I've done some more analysis on the 286 schematic, and I believe I have found 3 mistakes. That would be this little tick mark right there, this little tick mark, and this little tick mark. One reason I believe this, and this is just my assumption, is that you have your filled coil, and so it runs over to this point here, which is this point here, which runs over, goes up to a tie point here, goes over to a tie point, and down to your electric lytics. This fill coil acts as the coil to filter the AC. Now, what I also noticed was you have 70 volts here on the filled coil, and up here you have 100. I don't know if you see that. Let me get it closer. You have 190 volts coming off your plate. So if you come down and then connect, you're going to end up with 190 volts going to your filled coil. I don't think you want that. So it looks like you need this, and you need this, and you need this, but I don't think you should be connected there or there or there. Let's see. You have a red wire going to the transformer. I guess you could say, audio transformer. So that would be connected to right here. That would run up to your plate. So those are the reasons why I think those ticks need to go away. Let me know what you think. Have a good one. Another reason why I believe this tick should go away is it would act as a short circuit for this resistor and this capacitor.